Good morning from Grand Family Farm. And Penelope wants her grain. Really demanding pig here. Well, those chickens want some scratch. Hang on, Penelope. Mom and the babies, they want some grain too. Wow, she went through that water quick. Oh, those babies are hungry. Virginia just wants the grain. Oh, look at this. Go get some scratch. All right, put some straw down to cover the mud. The chickens are having fun in it. So what we do in this situation, I have a hula hoe. Wasn't much good for the weeds this year because chokeweed doesn't work with this thing. But anyway, just roll them out. Then we'll pick them up, put them in my coffee can here. After I dig them back out of the yucky stuff. Oop. And that one I think I broke. Either that or they broke it. Looks like more feeds being needed. This chicken just likes to talk. What do you have to say? I don't think she likes being on camera. She wants special attention. They just want to be petted. Yep, just want to be petted. The thing about these blue stars, they are friendly. Rhode Island, those aren't very friendly. Not this batch. Those ducks aren't either. Come on, Sally. Come on. Sally. Okay, she's wearing corn on her head. A little corn treat along with some grain. Petunia, same thing. Got some grain on her head because she wouldn't get out of the way. And the piglets are happy because they're eating grain too. Probably Mama wasn't giving enough milk. They were hungry. Oh, I hear the boar calling me. He wants his food next. All right, the sun's coming out. Hopefully dry this mud up. The thing about this mud here, this is clay and it sticks to your feet. So he's like, give me my food. Try to put it where it's not in the crap. Of course, he stands right under it. They all do that. Not too bright. Well, let's hope the sun comes out, dries this place back out. I can't drive over here, the golf cart, tracking mud on my tires, then onto the gravel. I gotta finish gravel on this section right here. That's any time. That's the reason why we have it. Well, the boar's got his grain. I'll have to throw him some alfalfa, top off his water dish. Over here we gotta get some alfalfa for the sows. Top their dishes off. They're enjoying the grain. I'll probably come back down here a little later to check on them and see if there's any more eggs, and probably give them a little more grain. Of course, these chickens will want some more love and some more scratch when I come back down here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.